Welcome to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today I'm going to make seaweed salad. This is seaweed from Japan, made in Japan. And this one is Korean traditional health food. Okay guys, made from ginseng chicken. It's healthy chicken. We need to boil guys only because I'm today running out time, so all is easy to prepare. Just to boil is because it's ready, and also the salad just to soak it with water later on. But this one I will just boil it. I will show you how boiling it. Boiling this. Okay guys, so now I start boiling, as you can see guys. Okay, see, nice isn't it? Springs chicken is small. This is a spring chicken made from Korea. Time to soak it. Okay, this is seaweed, just to soak it for about 15 minutes guys. Okay guys, guys, let's see after 15 minutes. Oh, need to drain water. Need to drain the water guys. To drain it first. So now guys, let's start after draining it. Okay, this is sesame oil and sesame seed guys. Okay, just to mix it with this seaweed to make it as how is it my salad? See, nice color.